Here's a specialty tool for changing your bits on your circular saw. I don't know if it came with the saw or Dad had built it. You need to pound it. Then it gets hold on.
I'll catch it.
You spin that insert out.
Tooth is
There
out.
you go. That's your tooth. You're gonna clean it up a little bit.
Yep.
We're just cleaning it up a little bit and
There you go. Spray, spray.
a little spray on her. Here's the new tooth going in. I'm losing. Hard to do this and
I'll try to do it.
all right, you got it.
Yeah.
Get it lined up. A special groove. Oh, too close. Gotta get it back in the groove there. Spin her back into place. And there.
More.
Takes probably about 2 minutes to do a tooth. I don't know, we maybe got 100 on this blade.
36.
36 of them?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah. Okay, that's good.
that's it.